So let me just go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to be making some face scrubs, and I have more than one of these bowls. I basically got all the bowls from Dollar Tree. The first one we're going to make is the lemon face scrub. Pretty easy. This is the one that I put the label on already. These are the face scrub jars. For some reason, it looks like everyone buys out the organic honey. So I'm going to use this honey. This is great value. Don't judge me. But yeah, I'm going to use this honey. Regular white sugar. Lemon juice. Using lemon juice is much easier, I guess, than squeezing the actual lemon. You can use the actual lemon. These three things: white sugar, honey, lemon. In my case, lemon juice. I'm just gonna throw. That looks like too much sugar, but whatever. And I got me these spoons also from Dollar Tree. This one is pretty long, which is unnecessary. It has to come to a consistency, like a nice, smooth consistency. Did I open this? Wow, none of my stuff are open. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze a whole lot of honey. Then we're gonna pour in some lemon juice. Oh, this is strong. From concentrated. Give this a good stir. See, as I say, it's going to get watered down. See how it ran down? I don't want it to be too watery. But this looks good. I'm going to add a little bit more sugar though. Let's add a little bit more sugar. This is why you should measure. Don't be like me, guys. When you're putting in the lemon juice, just add a splash. Now this is how I want it to come out. This looks good. And when you're using face scrub or body scrub, anything, you basically just want to use it 2 times per week. You don't want to exfoliate the skin too much. You don't use exfoliate every day. This one definitely smells like lemon. Now, the thing is, how am I going to get it in here without making a mess? Now, there you go. Just gotta clean it up. And then 1 down, 3 to go. Brown sugar, not a lot, just a good amount. That's good enough. Once again, I am eyeballing. Then we have ground cinnamon, organic. Why are none of my stuff open? For the ground cinnamon, this said 1/2. Now we're going to add coconut oil. Give it a good stir. This honestly looks like mud. So let's put this in a jar now. So basically this is what it looked like.